Guys, what is a transition study? There's so many different terms out there for different commercial assessments and inspections. I've heard about transition study recently as a different term for a reserve study. Is that what it is? I'm Britt from wbtreesconsultants.com. Transition studies are used to help HOA owners and managers take over a property from the developer. It is similar to, but not the same as, a reserve study. Why does that need to be documented? Well, when that property changes hands, the status of the physical condition of the site components and what the HOA has in reserve needs to be documented. This documentation is for future use. The HOA needs to be able to plan for capital improvements and make sure they have enough money on hand from their dues and from what's been stored up to be able to perform those capital improvements. Take a look at transition studies. Do your homework, do your research. Check us out at wbtc3.com. Thanks again.